That's a visionary step because civilization, whether you take it in terms of heritage or culture or society, any society, it plays a very important role. Culture can play a very important role in bringing people closer to each other, because this is a beautiful vehicle for a peaceful dialogue, initiating a peaceful dialogue with with all societies across the world. It is the best way to get to know each other. When you see civilizations from that angle, then you tend to focus on dialogue, on development, on peace and equality. That's why this Global Civilization Initiative is a visionary initiative, and it can impact the world in a very, very positive manner.
The aspiration that China has is admirable, and if it can be achieved, would be a step forward for for mankind and for the world. The idea of China promoting dialogue among and between of civilizations is a very good idea. I think that as the world gets smaller, actually larger in population but smaller in mental and physical distance, then it's very, very important that we'll understand each other.
This is indeed a very wise proposal. People-to-people contact, collaboration, interaction. This is very important to establish good bridges, a common understanding between people and scientists and technologists and professionals. Once we have this, we understand each other's attitudes, and we can actually jointly address important issues. It is greatly beneficial to the world.